Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into a topic that's incredibly close to my heart and something I think we all can benefit from: the powerful connection between what we eat and how we feel. I'm talking about mental wellness. Have you ever noticed how a certain meal can lift your spirits, or how a day of junk food can leave you feeling sluggish and down? It's not just in your head, there's real science behind it. We often talk about diets for physical health, for losing weight or building muscle. But what about feeding our minds? The brain is an incredibly complex and energy-intensive organ. It works 24/7, even when we're asleep. And just like any high-performance engine, it needs premium fuel to run optimally. That fuel comes directly from the food we eat. So, let's explore how we can unlock the full potential of our minds and boost our emotional health, simply by making smarter choices at the dinner table. Let's start with the basics of this connection. Your brain is constantly buzzing with activity, sending signals through a vast network of neurons. These signals are transmitted by chemicals called neurotransmitters. You've probably heard of some of them, like serotonin and dopamine. Serotonin helps regulate sleep, appetite, and mood, and it's often called the feel-good chemical. Dopamine is crucial for motivation, reward, and pleasure. Now, here's the fascinating part. The building blocks for these essential neurotransmitters come from our diet. Amino acids, vitamins, and minerals are the raw materials. For instance, the amino acid tryptophan, found in foods like turkey, nuts, and seeds, is a direct precursor to serotonin. Without enough tryptophan, your body simply can't produce enough serotonin, which can lead to feelings of anxiety, irritability, and even depression. Think of it like a construction site. If the supply trucks don't deliver the bricks and cement, you can't build the house. It's the same for our brain chemistry. So, if our brains need specific nutrients to function well, what happens when our diet is lacking? This is where the gut-brain axis comes into play. It's a term you might be hearing more and more, and for good reason. It refers to the constant, two-way communication highway between your digestive system and your brain. Believe it or not, about 95% of your body's serotonin is produced in your gut, not your brain. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. A healthy, diverse microbiome helps produce these crucial neurotransmitters, reduces inflammation, and strengthens the gut lining. But a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can disrupt this delicate ecosystem. This can lead to what's called leaky gut, where the gut lining becomes more permeable, allowing inflammatory substances to enter the bloodstream. This systemic inflammation can then travel to the brain, contributing to brain fog, fatigue, and a low mood. It's a chain reaction that starts on your plate and can directly impact your mental state. Now for the exciting part. Which foods should we be eating to nourish our brains and boost our mood? Let's build a mental wellness grocery list. First up, complex carbohydrates. Forget the idea that all carbs are bad. Your brain's preferred source of energy is glucose, which comes from carbs. The key is choosing the right kind. Complex carbs like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and sweet potatoes release glucose slowly and steadily, providing your brain with a consistent energy supply. This prevents the energy spikes and crashes you get from sugary snacks, which can leave you feeling irritable and unfocused. Next, omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats, meaning your body can't make them, so you have to get them from food. They are critical for building brain and nerve cells and have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. You can find them in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Studies have shown a strong link between higher omega-3 intake and reduced rates of depression. Let's keep going. We also need a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Why a rainbow? Because different colors indicate different antioxidants and phytonutrients. Berries, for example, are packed with flavonoids, which have been shown to improve memory and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in folate, a B vitamin that's crucial for dopamine production. Low folate levels have been consistently linked with a lower mood. Think of your plate as a painter's palette. The more colors, the more nutrients you're feeding your brain. And don't forget protein. As we mentioned, Amino acids from protein are the building blocks for neurotransmitters. Good sources include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans and lentils. Getting enough protein at each meal helps stabilize blood sugar levels and provides the necessary components for a happy, well-functioning brain. Another key area to focus on is gut health. To support that microbiome we talked about, we need to eat foods rich in probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are the good bacteria themselves, found in fermented foods like yogurt, with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. These foods directly add beneficial microbes to your gut. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are the food for these good bacteria. They are types of fiber found in foods like garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, and whole grains. By eating a diet rich in both, you're creating a thriving internal ecosystem that supports your mental health from the inside out. It's not about a perfect diet, but about consistently making choices that support your gut. Remember to stay hydrated. Your brain is about 75% water. Dehydration, even mild dehydration, can impair concentration, memory, and mood. So keep that water bottle handy throughout the day. Now, I want to be clear. While nutrition is a powerful tool, it's not a magic cure. Mental health is complex, and diet is just one piece of the puzzle, alongside things like exercise, sleep, stress management, and social connection. If you are struggling with your mental health, it is so important to reach out and speak with a qualified professional, like a therapist or a doctor. They can provide the support and guidance you need. Think of improving your diet as one of the most empowering steps you can take in your overall wellness journey. It's something you have control over every single day. It's not about restriction or deprivation. It's about addition and nourishment. It's about asking, what can I add to my plate today that will make my brain feel good? Let's quickly recap the key takeaways. Your brain needs specific nutrients, like omega-3 south, vitamins, and amino acids, to produce the neurotransmitters that regulate your mood. The gut-brain axis is a real and powerful connection, and supporting your gut health with prebiotics and probiotics can directly impact your emotional well-being. Focus on incorporating whole foods, complex carbs, lean proteins, healthy fats, and a wide variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Even small, consistent changes can make a huge difference over time. Maybe swapping your morning pastry for a bowl of oatmeal with berries, or adding a side of salmon to your dinner twice a week, or snacking on a handful of walnuts instead of chips. These small choices add up, creating a foundation of good health for both your body and your mind. So, I challenge you to try it. Pay attention to how you feel after you eat. Start making 1 or 2 small changes this week. You might be surprised at how quickly you notice a difference in your energy levels, your focus, and your overall mood. Food is not just fuel, it's information. It's medicine. It's one of the most profound ways we can care for ourselves. By nourishing your brain, you're investing in your happiness and your long-term health. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this has given you some food for thought. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on living your healthiest, happiest life. Let me know in the comments what your favorite brain-boosting food is. See you in the next video.